Hello, today you're looking at a 2000 amp Clinton 3 to 12 volt rectifier brought to you by Lanco. This unit is 32 inches long, 26 inches wide, and 54 inches tall. You can see from the fan here that it is air cooled. This unit's currently wired in at 208. Real clean unit inside there. This is a 3-phase rectifier, has an input amps of 94. You can see the tap switch controls. This rectifier has been tested over here at Lanco. We'll turn it on for you so you can see it run. See the voltage go up, amps go on. Look at the waveform. Fan's running, as it should. If you're interested in this rectifier, give us a call, 616-887-8300, or you can always find us online at lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.